Good afternoon. My name is Tom Brinsenhoff, Certified Master Mechanic out of Reading, Pennsylvania, and today I'm going to answer the question of how do I stop my car from overheating? The easiest way I can tell you is maintenance, maintenance, and maintenance. Change your radiator fluid, antifreeze, on a regular basis every 30 to 50,000 miles. Do that religiously. Make sure it's flushed out at least every 2 to 3 years. Take it to a local garage. You really can't do that in your backyard. Have that done. Always make sure that your fluids are always full, topped off, in good condition. Make sure they're not all dirty. If you change it routinely, you won't have that problem. The easiest way I can tell you to prevent your car from overheating is basically make sure your belts are good. Make sure your fluids are full. Make sure your antifreeze is in good condition. If you're not sure how to check your antifreeze, a lot of garages out there will do it for free. Just pull right up. They'll come out with a little, what they call a hydrometer, and they'll check it out that way. Antifreeze is a big key. Without your antifreeze, it's going to overheat. You want to keep that right 50-50 mixture. Anything more or less than that, you can have freezing problems. In dead of summer, when it's over 100 degrees, you might even have some overheating problems. The other issue you might want to take care of is make sure your electric fan works, or your clutch fan. Make sure they're in good condition. If either one of them aren't working, it's definitely going to overheat. But those are your key components on how to keep your vehicle from overheating.